Welcome on board our chartists as well. Find out what to make of the market setup. Vinay Rajani, Kunal Bothra as well joining in on our studios. Kunal, let me kickstart with you. Morning, firstly, made it to 19,750 plus actually on the futures. Runway is clear for 20,000?
Yes. Much. I hope this time around we don't pitch stop at 20,000 and we go beyond the 20,000 mark. Yesterday's data, I would probably call it as a picture perfect day because you had slew of large cap stocks which started to show signs of pickup of price action. L&T was at the forefront of a very strong gain. You saw HDFC Bank making a decent comeback, especially in the second half. You had a very good mix from the mid caps and small caps, which also managed to do pretty well for themselves. But the more heartening part, which I observed in terms of the data, were two important zones. One on the Bank Nifty, where we saw another day of short covering for the bank index. The open interest dropped by I think around 5.4% for the Bank Nifty, making it as a cumulative drop of almost 15 to 16% in the last 4 or 5 trading sessions since the start of the September expiry. And the second, the most important part is that the Bank Nifty is back above the 50-day moving average. This, I think, could be a very strong case of a breakout for the Bank Nifty, and possibly the underperformance which we've been, witnessing over the last 1 month, 2 months for the banking index. I think that should now start to get covered up with this potential breakout of the 50-day moving average.
Well, yes, absolutely. Let's welcome on board Vinay Rajani as well. Vinay, what's your take on this outperformance, or at least the sliver of outperformance that we have witnessed in the Bank Nifty this week? Do you think mid caps are going to be a bit slow now and Bank Nifty will take the lead?
Yeah, it looks like that for last couple of sessions we have been witnessing that large cap stocks have taken the lead and mid cap, small caps have started consolidating. So after a long time, in last week we saw Nifty 500 index breaking out from the consolidation of previous 7 weeks. So I think leadership is changing. I think large cap stocks and Bank Nifty, IT, there are other large cap sectors also can perform well. So here on, it looks like that fresh breakouts are there in large caps only. Mid caps, small caps are into continuation, but they have risen significantly. If you were to see the March bottom, from the March bottom, Nifty small cap index has risen more than 43%. So it might happen that for the time being, they may see running correction or consolidation, and leadership can be there in the large cap segment. So yesterday, as Kunal said, there was a fresh breakout in the Bank Nifty, and large cap banks were oversold also in private sector, so they could see some pullback rally from the lower level. So that will lead to the outperformance in the Bank Nifty. So yesterday, Bank Nifty actually gave a breakout. 44,600 was a crucial resistance derived from the downward sloping trend line, and that has been taken out. And yesterday also, FII's figure in the Nifty and Bank Nifty both, there was a long build-up in Nifty and Bank Nifty both. After a long time, we have seen that FIIs have created long in the Bank Nifty futures. So it is a good sign, and Nifty is obviously looking good and taken out the previous swing high. The only resistance I see in Nifty is around 18,867, which was the previous swing high. So there are good chances that Nifty will lead towards the new all-time high, and Bank Nifty will also participate in this rally. And small cap and mid caps can see running correction or consolidation in coming times.